Welcome to iSpy on IMTS TV. I'm your host, Adam Gambrel, and we're here on day 4 of IMTS 2018. The manufacturing community that surrounds IMTS is massive, and sometimes it can feel easy to get lost in the crowd. That's why at IMTS 2018, we're focusing on how IMTS can help smaller individuals and job shops find the technology and network with the individuals that can help them make their businesses better. And on this episode of iSpy, we're checking out an event called Meet at IMTS, where makers and entrepreneurs can come together to network and discuss the problems and challenges they face and how an event like IMTS can help them find solutions to those problems. But first, we met with a few of those influencers to talk about their story and their journey through entrepreneurship. So I'm here with John from EOS, who was a small shop who once thought that there was a barrier to attending IMTS, right?
Yeah, we did. You know, we're a small shop. We've only got a few employees, and for us, it was like, you know, we gotta get all this work done, and we're not gonna have time to come out to IMTS, or maybe we won't have the means to come to IMTS. But you know, we finally said a lot of people have told us like, you guys really need to go to the show. So we were like, all right, we're doing it this year. We're gonna go to the show, and it's just been really good for us. The thing that was probably most valuable is just being able to see all the equipment that's out there and all the stuff that exists that we didn't know that we could use to help us, you know, smooth out our manufacturing process and make our product better, you know, produce more knives every month, and, you know, get our wallets built to a better standard. And I brought my whole crew out with me just because I wanted them to experience it too. I could have came by myself and you know, done that, but I think that for my other guys, seeing all this stuff in person and seeing what else is out there and how fixtures are designed, and you know, it really gets a mental grasp on how other companies are doing things and how we can do things better.
This is my first time at IMTS, and I can honestly say it would have been beneficial had I been smart enough to even know about it.
Sure.
Some of the demos going on here are exposing me to so many new technologies and ideas that I didn't even know were possible. And I think that's the coolest thing about a show like this, is that you're not only seeing, you know, how you can speed up the process you already have, but you can also see what could be down the road 2-3 years from now and what's actually possible. I could close my eyes, throw a rock, and hit 50,000 people that know more about machining and you know, manufacturing than I do. And I think that's another great reason to come to events like IMTS, because you just, you know, it's like you don't know what you don't know. And the only way you're gonna figure it out is by surrounding yourself with smarter people. And you're not gonna find a larger group of smarter people than right here at IMTS.
There's this kind of technology fear that comes with really expensive equipment that you don't have access to.
Sure.
Like, you can't just walk into someone's manufacturing plant and ask them how they would make this.
Sure.
So here, you can actually see how things are done differently. You can watch how different parts are made. You can have the interaction by speaking with people and seeing what they're doing for parallel markets, and, you know, just kind of seeing what the features are and being able to relate it back to what you're doing. What's been neat is that every booth I've gone to, I'll kind of find a little group or like a micro tribe of people who are geeking out over like one thing, and you can turn to your right or left and then find someone who is interested in the same thing.
Take a look around at IMTS. There's such an amazingly diverse group of people represented here. There really is something for everyone, big and small, at IMTS. If you need more resources and you're a smaller shop looking to navigate the show, you can go online to imts.com/jobshops and take a look at all the resources we put together just for you. Now that's all we have here for you on this iSpy, and we'll see you next time.